Yeah, so we think that Disney is just an incredibly unique company. They've managed to grow the Disney Plus business with 118 million subscribers, looking to get to 260 million subscribers over the next couple of years. But this isn't just a story about Disney Plus. This is a story about the entire Disney ecosystem and how they're able to uniquely engage with their customer base on so many different levels, whether it's through the parks, whether it's through their licensing business, whether it's through movies in the movie theater, and then through Disney Plus and through ESPN. So we think this company just has a lot to give. It's been under a lot of pressure over the last year, but we think things are setting up well for it to do better in 2022, particularly as the economy, hopefully, global economy, hopefully reopens and parks continue to do well and gain some strength here.
Yeah, well, we hope so, too. A favorite of Jim Cramer as well, as he's documented over the last couple of months, buying that stock as it's come down for his charitable trust as part of the investment club. Boeing was a Farmer Jim name. Interesting here that it's one of yours, too, along with Booking. You tell me about either one of those, Boeing or Booking. I mean, because, you know, Boeing's had its issues, too.
Boeing has had issues, but I think in this market, if you're looking for a place to buy something that hasn't worked and that is likely to do better in 2022 and perhaps be one of the better performing stocks in 2022, I think you could look towards companies with exposure to travel resumption. You know, Booking and Boeing both fall into that category, but with Boeing in particular, obviously the company has had its challenges over the last few years, but we think resolution to some of those challenges could end up being a catalyst here in 2022. In particular, if 767 Max are reinstated in China, that could be a real game changer. China's an important part of the aviation market. It's estimated to make up about 10% of volume over the next decade or so within the aviation business. And then secondly, the 787 production problems we think should also be resolved this year, and that should be also a catalyst here. And lastly, just the resumption of air travel, which we think there has been domestic air travel picked up, but international travel just has not been as strong. And we think if we can move past the pandemic, that we will see a significant pickup, as I think there is a lot of pent up demand for both business and leisure travel.